Alright guys, we're looking at our fuel pressure here. Engine running, of course. Should be right at 6 psi, as you see there. You know, if you're getting an incorrect reading and you know everything is connected properly, you got no kinks in the line, no air coming through, no clamps loose, you know, no busted fuel lines or anything like that, sometimes you got to try a different fuel regulator, because the one you have on might be defective or broken or need rebuilding or something. So I've got a different regulator on just for the sake of trying it, and it's holding nice and steady at 6. And you'll notice to make the adjustment, you know, put your Allen key up in the top, then you can put your 16mm wrench on the nut right there. Crack open the nut. I don't have it attached, of course, just yet. Alright, so watch the Allen up here and watch your fuel pressure. You would tighten this screw up here to increase fuel pressure. You would loosen it to lower fuel pressure. Now, keep an eye on it. Loosen your guy right here. Watch it. See how it's increasing? Should be right around there. So there's different reasons why you could be getting an incorrect fuel pressure reading. Kinked hoses, regulator defective. Because watch it right here. If you kink the hose prematurely, it'll affect your fuel pressure reading. Okay, so if you're having trouble of it being consistent, and make sure that your fuel routing is correct. So on this particular regulator, inlet comes from the fuel pump, or the gas tank through the bottom. You got 2 outlets. You got one for a gauge, one for the carburetor going that way, as you see. So you need to confirm those things, before you go diving into anything deeper. And it helps that you have, the correct PSI fuel pump as well. Anyway, and once you achieve the setting you want, then you'll lock this guy back down. With your wrench right here. Lock that guy down. Anyway. Oh yeah. Now you shouldn't see any black smoke coming out of your exhaust. Notice how you can hear the fuel pump over there on the right side. I mean, that's just how they are. Your external fuel pumps are going to have some noise to them. But those are things to look for. Make sure you don't have a black soot on your spark plugs, black soot coming out the exhaust. You don't want to be able to smell fuel, of course. And after you get the car fully warmed up, then you can do some adjusting with your mixture screws on your carburetor. There are tons of videos on how to do that. Make sure your choke is set correctly also. I got electric choke on here. Notice how it's just starting to open up right now that it's getting warmed up. Anyway, so there's a nice steady fuel reading right there. Anyway, check out other videos. We got tons of stuff about this car and other cars, motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, stuff around the house, you know, all kinds of things that may help you. And Google Horsepower House. We're on eBay, Amazon, 2 YouTube channels, Facebook, that sort of thing. So have a look for us. So there might be other things that can help you in the future. 66 Plymouth Fury right here with a 5.9 liter. Running good. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.